Hello, this is Dan from Bike Moto. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first video. We are today in the van and we've gone to Borden to pick up some powder coating from Goldburn Finishers that come highly recommended from a chap who restores Kawasaki's that I got chatting to a couple of months ago. So we normally use Archer powder coating in Droxford, I really, more than happy with his work, but just as this was like sort of a classic bike that I was doing myself, I wanted to try somewhere else and just see whether they done a better job or the paint was more accurate to like what Yamaha would have done it when it was new. So it's a Yamaha RD250LC 1981. It's been sat since 1985. And someone had painted the frame blue, unfortunately, so it's going back to black. And I'll just try and get you to see where we are there, the Goldburn Finishers, and we'll see. I'll try and edit the unwrapping and stuff later on, and we'll get that up with some before pictures of the frame and the other stuff that we're doing, and we'll add to this as it goes along with the journey. It might be over a couple of years, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, well, thanks for viewing us anyway, and we'll go from there. Hello, so we've picked the frame up and I've not taken it all out of the bag, but it's looking, just taking the main part of the headstock out, it really looks like it's in lovely condition. And they've done a wonderful job. Like, numbers still quite visible, which is important. But yeah, it's a lovely finish. Not really probably the best picture or video, but there you go.